mean you don't know what Bitcoin is? Man, you living under a rock or what? You haven't bought Bitcoin? I'm gonna tell you right now, you better buy some Bitcoin. Man, I'm telling you, just gotta buy some Bitcoin and let that ride, all right? Just let it ride up. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Saeed. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to buy Bitcoin on the app Robinhood. In this video, if you're a brand new person to the crypto world, you've never bought Bitcoin, this video is just for you. So what you're gonna wanna do is go over to your app store and you're gonna type in Robinhood. So Robinhood is the app that you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So once you're in the app here, you're gonna go over to the little human on the right-hand side, and you're gonna wanna add an account for your checking or savings. And this is all verified through Plaid. And you can basically just use your username and password that you use at your current bank if you do online banking, and it's gonna be able to connect to your bank as simple as that. So you're gonna wanna go to that human app again, and you're gonna want to transfer to Robinhood. So after you've connected your bank, you're gonna tap this top section here, and you're gonna say how much you want transferred from your bank over to Robinhood. So in my case, I put $20, and I can just put 20, review, and submit. And it's not actually gonna show up in Robinhood just yet, but you're gonna be able to use it to buy Bitcoin or stocks. So if you come out to the magnifying glass, you're gonna be able to search for stocks, cryptos, whatever you want. In our case, we're gonna type in Bitcoin, okay? And you can see here, buy or sell. So I'm gonna buy Bitcoin, and I'm gonna buy $20 worth. So I'm gonna type in 20, and I'm gonna review that order. And all I have to do is swipe up to submit. And there we go, I'm sending the order. So there you go, that is how you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. So once you go back to the main section here, you're gonna be able to see how many stocks you have up here, how many cryptocurrencies you've bought. So in my case, I have just bought some Bitcoin, and you can see I have $40 worth of equity, meaning $40 worth of Bitcoin, and that is actively moving up and down as we speak. So if I wanted to, I can actually sell this Bitcoin back to the market, and I can tell it how much I want to sell. So I could sell all my Bitcoin, and it'd be $40.05. Don't worry, I bought $20 before making this video. And all you have to do is swipe up again to sell it. So that is pretty much it, guys. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. The one thing I don't like about buying Bitcoin on Robinhood is that you can't transfer your Bitcoin out of Robinhood and put it in a digital wallet that you prefer. They limit your Bitcoin and all your cryptocurrency orders to their app, and that's kind of crappy, because if I wanted to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin and leverage that $500 in something like BlockFi, where I can earn up to 4.5% APY, I can't take the Bitcoin that I just bought and transfer it over to BlockFi, or to any wallet rather. So I would recommend, if you're wanting to do some of those different types of transactions, or you want to actually send your Bitcoin out of Robinhood to a friend, or to use something like BlockFi, or send it to an exchange, Robinhood is not going to be the place you want to buy Bitcoin. You're going to want to buy Bitcoin on something like Coinbase, or the Cash app, or any other app that allows you to withdraw your Bitcoin. So hopefully this video was quick and helpful for you guys. If you have more questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you would, definitely click that like button, subscribe if you want more content. And by the way, there is a link to Robinhood down below in the description. It's gonna give you a free stock and also help the channel out, give me 3 free stocks as well. So everybody wins. If you're interested in it, definitely click the link down below and get your free stock. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Robinhood. Till next time, guys, see you on the next one.